Brought to you by the community of certified B corporations.
Hootsuite is the world's most popular social relationship platform. We have over 11 million users and help serve 736 of Fortune 1000 companies to send messages through social channels every day. Our mission is to help our customers transform messages into meaningful relationships.
We're a passionate, egoless team building something bigger than ourselves, and B Corp is a way to show how we roll.
Since our inception, Hootsuite has looked holistically at a few KPI. Happiness of our shareholders, in terms of our economics and how the company looks, happiness of our team, and then happiness of our customers. How happy are our customers on a day-to-day working with our product? We feel like B Corp is a natural extension of that.
We became a B Corp because it provides a framework for us to measure our impact. When we filled out the B Impact Assessment, we found that we had a number of practices in place that were in line with what other B Corps were doing. So it just made sense for us to join this growing movement.
I'm really excited about B Corp because it aligns with our values. We think about our company more holistically than just our shareholders. And I think that that ultimately creates value for our shareholders in that philosophy.
Since becoming a B Corp, there are a number of positive changes that we've made. We are now measuring our environmental footprint across all our offices. We implemented an emission reduction plan. We're also measuring the diversity of our workforce. You can't manage what you don't measure, and the B Impact Assessment compels companies to recognize areas for improvement.
One of the things that I'm passionate about is trying to build a 50-year company. I think that B Corp can help us do this.
It also provides guidance on what we should be paying attention to and shines a light on how we can be a force for good.
I'm optimistic that in the future other companies start to align to a similar philosophy and that this movement starts to spread. I encourage others to join ourselves and the other great companies that have all gotten involved with B Corp.
Be the change.